Here's a look at our alert day that is going to be swinging into effect as we go through our Wednesday. Rain is going to be arriving as we go through, and before daybreak, the wind is going to pick up into the afternoon. Now, the risk of ice is mainly going to be west and north of Toledo. Many areas going to come away 1 to 2 inches of rain likely, with wind gusts potentially reaching late tomorrow up to 30 to 35 miles per hour. Now, how much rain to expect? It is going to be a soaker tomorrow, and with the winds that will pick up, look at this, 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall. A few isolated spots could be approaching 2 inches, with some of those stripes of heavier rain that will work across the area. Let's take you through tonight. One of the best features, if you're scrolling through that phone right now, you open up that free WTOL 11 weather app, and I'm going to take you to tomorrow morning. Let's fast forward, and there's that window of some freezing rain. One of the best breakdowns you're going to get on that hour-by-hour forecast, right at that critical 32-degree mark, which could create some slippery spots for that morning bus stop forecast tomorrow morning. Keep that in mind. I know many of the school districts are going to be keeping a close eye on that one. We're the only one that has that exclusive school delay hotspot map. As it stands right now, all districts reporting on time. Great opportunity to tune in tomorrow morning, 4:30 a.m. with meteorologist Ryan Weekman, and he'll have this ready to go. You'll see where the hot spots are. We do suspect it could be across southern Michigan for closures and delays. Temperature-wise, that is where it's coldest right now, upper 20s, lower 30s. Along and north of the Maumee Rivers, where we've got the temperatures below freezing, just a little warmer to the south and to the east, and that is where we may see more of a cold rain. How about this, though? Very close call. Ice storm warnings just north of our viewing area toward I-94. That does include Ann Arbor. Would advise you against no travel north of our area tomorrow, as they're going to get into some harsh wintry conditions that extend all the way across the northern plains. Winter storm warnings and blizzard warnings blanketing much of the northern tier of the country. So the timeline, that rain arrives for some areas by 6 to 7 a.m., changing to mainly rain. It's late morning through early afternoon. Steady soaking rain. Still could hang on to some ice west and north of Toledo, and those totals 1 to 2 inches of rain that will be possible. So let's time out the arrival of that tomorrow morning. The clock 8 a.m. It is going to be a rough start to the morning. That wintry mix, that cold rain, it will make that transition to all cold rain in northwest Ohio, hanging on to some of that ice north and west of the Toledo metro and north of the Maumee River. That breeze picks up. Soaking rain continues Wednesday afternoon, even into Wednesday evening, still steadily raining as we go through Wednesday night. Greatest ice potential, it is north of the Maumee River. I'm just going to call it what it is, a cold, miserable feeling rain for most of northwest Ohio. That soaking rain, I expect it will be in the 30s much of the day. Mid to upper 30s, that icy mix. Better chance of that is north and west of the Toledo metro. And beyond our alert day Wednesday, it will be windy Thursday. Temperature is going to be all over the place. Could be cooler north, 60s south of Toledo, but we all turn colder into Friday. Back close to 30 degrees, right around 40 Saturday. Dry weather into the weekend, mid-40s Sunday, and another system on Monday, likely to be in the form of rain, which should get us through the end of February with little or no snow in sight.